How to fix WhatsApp dating not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp dating not showing on Android phone. First, just open Facebook, and now just go to settings here and scroll down until you find wait, where is it, profile information. Click on it, and that's it. Now scroll down and here you will find the relationship. Click on it, and here you can manage it. Here you will find public. Click on it, and you can make it only for friends, and you can make it public again if you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.